In The Telomere Effect, Elizabeth Blackburn and Alyssa Epple, two research scientists and professors, provide a detailed backstory of our telomeres and how they influence the aging process. Kara and Lisa are both the same age, both have families, and both work hard at their very demanding jobs. But, as seen on the graph, Kara has entered her disease span almost 25 years sooner than Lisa. Our lives are composed of both the health span, the period of time in which we are free or relatively free of disease, and a disease span, the years marked by diseases of aging, which include cardiovascular disease, arthritis, a weakened immune system, diabetes, cancer, lung disease, and more. Kara is entering her disease span significantly sooner than Lisa, and therefore each will have dramatically different qualities of life in the latter half of their lives, due to subtle but highly important factors. Kara's telomeres have undergone severe degradation, which has caused her to biologically age quicker than Lisa. Telomeres are repetitive strands of nucleotide sequences that encapsulate the ends of chromosomes that, similarly to the aglets on the ends of our shoelaces that protect the laces from damage, help maintain the integrity of our DNA. Our telomeres are influenced by both nature and nurture, including, but not limited to, stress, eating habits, world perceptions, mental state, exercise, where you live, how you grew up, and mother's behaviors when they are pregnant.
While our actions and choices through our lives have a significant impact on the length of our telomeres, nature also plays a role. For example, the book provides a case study of Robin, a young girl who unfortunately inherited a rare telomere biology disorder passed down to her by her father's genetics that causes premature telomere shortening. The disorder's side effects are a much earlier onset of aging symptoms that differ vastly from the norm, such as wrinkling, graying of the hair, and a lower platelet count. Robin, who is now only in her 30s, has already begun to experience these symptoms, as well as an inability to participate in any physical activity. One active choice that we can control that also has a strong impact on the length of our telomeres is sleep. Sleep insomnia and other sleep disorders are associated with shorter telomeres. The book provides an example of a woman named Maria who suffers from sleep insomnia. Maria is constantly struggling to let go of her lingering, ruminating thoughts and her inability to shut off her mind that led to a chronic buildup in sleep loss and sleep debt. She finally decided to attend a sleep clinic in order to learn strategies to help her regain control of her sleep. Maria was instructed by the researchers to practice strategies such as mindfulness and meditation to let go of her ruminating thoughts. In just a short time after attending the clinic, Maria reported getting twice the amount of sleep per night than before. Maria's situation also shows how important it is to maintain a healthy mindset. It is crucial to stay in the present and avoid negative mind wandering, thought suppression, and rumination. A wandering mind is an unhappy mind.
Another nurturing practice that leads to longer telomeres is exercise, which plays a critical role in a healthier lifestyle. Exercise maintains and even lengthens your telomeres by releasing a hormone called irisin, which boosts metabolism and is associated with longer telomeres. Additionally, irisin also induces acute stress response, which increases expression of TERT, a telomerase gene. Overall, people who exercise live longer and have a lowered risk of high blood pressure, stroke, cardiovascular disease, depression, diabetes, and metabolic syndrome, and they avoid dementia for longer. However, too much exercise can be extremely negative for your body. The book mentions an example of a girl named Maggie who developed a fatigue syndrome from overtraining and damaging her muscles. She developed sleep changes, fatigue, moodiness, physical pain, and a decreased immune system, and a detrimental, possibly irreversible damage to her telomeres. Although there are many ways in which our everyday thoughts and actions trim off time in our telomeres, the telomere effect makes sure to provide even more ways in which we can combat telomere shortening. This book inspires us to live a healthier lifestyle and fix bad habits that many may consider to be trivial, but are actually revealed by the book to be very detrimental to our lifespans. Example of lifestyle changes may include improving our dietary choices to include more whole foods, improving their exercise regime, or fixing a sleep schedule.
To anyone looking for new ways of maintaining a lifestyle that leads to a longer, fuller, and more healthy being, read The Telomere Effect. This book is more than just self-help. It is filled with scientific insights backed by research and evidence and dives into the specific reasons for why we age the way we do and how we can ward off an inevitable end by lengthening the very things that help us age, our telomeres.